campus. We're looking for an Indian guy called Sanjay, and apparently we're gonna he's our third star in the show. So let's just look for him. Hi, so as I told you, we're here on the Beijing campus, and I think we just found Sanjay. So oh, there he is.
Oh my god, go, people are looking at me.
I think he's having a little fun with nature. Let's just go say hi.
Sorry guys.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Actually, maybe
This
later.
is my piss hand, you can use this one.
Alright, hi.
Psych!
I know. Anyway, so what's your name again?
My name is Sanjay.
Sanjay Patel, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Right. So, you're in our new show. Oh, we've chosen you for our new show, which is called Survival of the Lost Island. So, what do you think?
It's cool. I would love to be on the show. Do I have to do some type of task to make sure I'm okay for the show?
Okay,
Or can I just go on?
well, since you asked, might as well.
Damn.
Let's see if you can... Okay, let's see if you can... Alright, so Sanjay, how about you... Okay, it's simple as this. If you can jump from here, if you can run and jump over that little table over there, you're in the show. How about that?
Wait, the run or can I just hop over that little thing?
No, you have to jump over the table.
Alright, fine.
Or actually, as I said, you're just gonna jump over that thing and you're in the show.
Alright.
Now, I'm not gonna judge this, because I want you in the show. I'm gonna get this Chinese guy from UFT that is in the show already, Mr. Zing Li. He's here
Oh
to
my god, it's Zing Li!
Oh, I think they know each other from camp. So anyway, okay. And Indian and Chinese, never good. Anyway.
I want some rice!
You got some rice with your curry, boy.
No, I got some curry.
alright.
I need some
So,
rice with my curry.
Okay, you guys can't put your pass aside, and now you run, he's gonna judge you, okay?
Alright, I'm getting into mode.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
4:30.
1, 2, you can be the next one. 3,
1 second.
4,
Alright,
5,
let's
6,
go.
7, 8,
What are you doing?
25, go! Oh my god, can he do it? He's almost here, let's see if he can do it. Oh no, what's he doing? He's supposed to jump over.
I'm scared.
He's so Indian.
How do I get off?
Sorry guys, I think you saw what happened there. Now I think Jasper had a broken shoulder. So now we're here a week later, and we're here in the set where he's always pissing. I don't know why. He loves his nature. So anyway, we're just gonna try it one more time. He's just gonna have to jump over those 2 poles. Let's see if he can do it. Now, Sanjay, can you come here, please?
1 second.
I have Cuddy with me. Cuddy. Okay. So, Sanjay, so are you ready? You can jump. All you have to do is go over the 2 poles, okay?
It's kind of difficult. I'm scared because the last time
Yeah, I know. Your shoulder's probably okay by now, but you want to be on the show, right? This is all you have to do.
I got
Please.
this, alright?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Can you do it? Can you do it? He did it, yes.
1 second, that was so scary.
Congratulations.
I have to take another piss.
I think he pisses when he's nervous. Nature, right?
Alright, that's good. Congratulations.
Oh no, okay, so congrats.
That's my piss hand.
Oh no.
This
Okay,
is not my piss hand.
congrats, you're in the
No,
show.
why would you do that? I don't want your my piss hands on my other hand.
Okay.
Psych! Again!
Anyway, congrats. Almost done.
I hate blonde.
Okay, I guess Chinese and Indians
can
both
beat up
hate
him.
blondes. So congratulations, you're in the show.
I'll kick her ass first.
Okay, Sanjay, you're in the show.
No,
I can beat him up though.
Namaste, you're in the show.
No!
All right.